Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Repeat YouTube channel. Today we will know 50 daily use sentences. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट करना मत भूलिए. लेट्स गो. क्या तुम स्कूल जा रहे हो? आर यू गोइंग टू स्कूल? आर यू गोइंग टू स्कूल? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? क्या ये घर पर है? Is he at home? Is he at home? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? वो कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? तुम क्या रो रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? क्या वो तुम्हारा दोस्त है? Is he your friend? Is he your friend? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Whom are you talking to? Whom are you talking to? क्या तुम अंग्रेज़ी सीख रहे हो? Are you learning English? Are you learning English? तुमने मुझे क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? क्या वो पढ़ रहा है? Is he studying? Is he studying? तुम कब सोते हो? When do you sleep? When do you sleep? क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? तुम किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? Whose are you waiting for? Whose are you waiting for? क्या वो खेल रहा है? Is he playing? Is he playing? तुमने ये कहाँ से खरीदा? Where did you buy this from? Where did you buy this from? क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? क्या वो खुश है? Is he happy? Is he happy? तुम किस कक्षा में पढ़ते हो? Which class do you study in? Which class do you study in? क्या तुमने होमवर्क किया? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? क्या वो सच कह रहा है? Is he telling the truth? Is he telling the truth? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? क्या ये तुम्हारी किताब है? Is this your book? Is this your book? तुम किसके साथ जा रहे हो? With whom are you going? With whom are you going? क्या तुम मुझे समझते हो? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? तुमने उसे क्यों मारा? Why did you hit him? Why did you hit him? क्या वो घर जाएगा? Will he go home? Will he go home? तुम कितनी देर से पढ़ रहे हो? How long have you been studying? How long have you been studying? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? क्या वो तुम्हारी बहन है? Is he your sister? Is he your sister? तुम किससे मिलना चाहते हो? Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? तुम कहाँ काम कर रहे हो? Where do you work? What do you work? क्या तुमने मुझे बुलाया? Did you call me? Did you call me? तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? क्या वो तुम्हारे साथ आएगा? Will he come with you? Will he come with you? तुम कब से यहाँ हो? Since when have you been here? Since when have you been here? क्या तुम मुझे फ़ोन करोगे? Will you call me? Will you call me? तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you studying? What are you studying? क्या ये आसान है? Is this easy? Is this easy? तुम किसे पसंद करते हो? Whom do you like? Whom do you like? Thank you everyone. For more videos, Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you again.